Welcome to Deomali, Odisha's heaven. The scenic drive offers breathtaking views of mountains kissing the clouds. You can do many adventure sports and enjoy the nature. Enjoy the magnificent sunset with a cup of tea in your hand. To reach this serene mountain retreat called Deomali, you have three options. The most convenient way to reach Deomali is by road. From Bhubaneswar, the state capital, it's approximately 500 kilometers away. You can take a bus, taxi, or drive your own vehicle. The journey offers scenic views of the countryside and winding roads. No matter how you choose to travel, the journey to Deomali is an adventure in itself, offering glimpses of the region's natural beauty and cultural heritage. The best time to visit Deomali is from October to March. During this time, the weather is pleasant and the temperature varies from 15 degrees to 29 degrees centigrade during this time. It was a sunny day and we started our journey after the lunch from Sunabeda for Deomali. Our journey was not less than a Vista Dome journey in itself. As we started for Deomali, we are treated with a cinematic view of breathtaking landscapes along the road. As we wind our way through the lush green landscapes and zigzag roads, we were treated to stunning views of the hill range, lush green forests, old-world villages, and vibrant local markets. It was a journey that was as rewarding as the destination itself. Every turn you take reveals a new marvel. Delicate orchids clinging to ancient trees, vibrant leaves expanding in the vegetation, and a symphony of nature and its beauty will make you spellbound for sure. In simple words, it's truly an awesome experience. The journey to Deomali is a nature lover's paradise. From the towering trees to the vibrant wildflowers, every meter of the journey is jam-packed with nature, beauty, unique experiences and adventure. Soon we approached a narrow road leading us to a concrete structure. In fact, this was the first concrete structure we saw from last 1 hour or so of the journey. The narrow road led us towards the entry point for the Deomali Hills. We approached towards a gate welcoming us to Deomali. The local driver said that this is the point we enter to Deomali from Odisha, and the road to our right will go to Andhra Pradesh. So geographically, the Deomali Hills range spans over two states, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. After some time, the zigzag road led us to a place where there were no trees. It was just a brownish land with few weeds. All of a sudden, the greenery vanished and we could see the mountains kissing the sky at the far end. We could see the famous hairpin bend of Deomali Hills in front of us in the windshields. This road was taking us towards the highest peak on Eastern Ghats as well as Odisha, the Deomali Hills. For adventure seekers, Deomali offers a variety of thrilling activities. From challenging treks to peaceful camping experiences, there's something for everyone. That day we could witness the parasailing in action on our way. The high-flying adventure seeker was enjoying his turn while the sun was shining in the blue sky. It was truly an exciting experience in itself, a paisa vasool one. There are facilities for zip line and land zorbing as well. The National Adventure Foundation, Odisha chapter is providing these kind of adventure sports at Deomali. You can always contact on the numbers flashing on the screen to call and inquire more about the same if you are an adventure lover. We were really enjoying the journey and the enchanting view of the mountains. After few more minutes we reached at a vista point. There were a lot of visitors there. As we approached it we realized that it was a stopover for food. The Mountain View Restaurant Deomali. You can get some snacks, Maggi, water, tea and coffee along with local assortments here. What else you need at such a peak? Soon we reached at a point which is the highest trafficable point on Deomali. After that point you cannot take any vehicles. The cinematic view compelled us to stop all our digital devices and enjoy the moment and making it a memorable one. Please enjoy few clicks taken at the peak. I would say no visit to Deomali is complete without a view of the setting sun at Sunset Point. This will be double delight if you have a cup of tea or coffee in your hand. We came back to the Mountain View restaurant while the sun was setting at the mountain peak. With a cup of tea in hand, it was the most enjoyable sunset at the Deomali peak. An experience that would always leave its trace in the memory lane. Want to witness the beauty of this heaven? Book your calendars to visit Deomali coming winter. Thanks for watching.